Everyone, welcome in our EVS class. Student, today in topic occupation we will discuss book exercise, define these and question answer. Dear kids, in this chapter we got the knowledge about the different types of occupations. Student, people work to earn a living. Different people do different types of work and they help us. The work a person does become his profession. Student, in our daily life, so many helpers help us, like carpenter, tailor, farmer, doctor, teacher, okay? And some helpers who sell things like stationer, grocer, greengrocer, florist, and some helpers who entertain us like writer, musician, okay, singer, and some others helpers like draper, chemist, baker, okay. So beta, in today's class, firstly we will discuss book exercise. So let's start. See, beta, take out page number 10 in your book. See, first put a tick on the correct option. First is he cuts our hair. Cobbler, barber, tailor. Cobbler cuts our hair. No, he mends our shoes. Tailor, he stitches our clothes. So barber is the correct answer. Barber cuts our hair. So first B option is correct. Barber. Now second देखिए, a dash makes our furniture. बेटा who makes the furniture? Carpenter, baker or doctor? No, baker is no, because baker bakes the cakes and pastries, and doctor treats us when we are sick. So what's the correct answer? Carpenter. A carpenter makes our furniture. So second A option is correct. Carpenter, CARPENTER, carpenter. Now B, देखिए, unjumble the names of these helpers. Here are some jumbles that is given. So we have to jumble them and make these helpers name. So first AM, see beta, AM, FRRE. So what's the correct word? Farmer. FARMER, farmer. Okay. Now second is देखिए, ATIOLR. So beta, what's the correct answer? Tailor. TAILOR, tailor. Now third is REKAB. So what's the correct word? Baker. BAKER, baker. Now fourth is RTOPTE. So what's the correct word beta? Potter. POTTER. So these are the correct word: farmer, tailor, baker and potter. So next is C exercise. Now students, see, cross the things that do not belong to the person. Beta, here are some person given and their things I have given. So we have to find out which things do not belong them. So first is painter. देखिए, see the three tools of painter. See beta, first, second, third. So which one is do not belong to the person? First brush, yes, it's belong to the painter. This no, this yes. So which the correct answer is second one, because it's used carpenter. Now second is electrician. Electrician beta, first and second both things use electrician, and third one is use mason. So this one is cross. Now third is plumber. Beta, first and second both things plumber use, and third one is brush. So it's use painter. So it's a cross. Now fourth is mason. First mason use, and second one is carpenter thing, and third one is mason. So first and third is right, and second one is wrong, means cross. Now fifth is carpenter. So first is not carpenter thing, it's a brush, it's used painter. So second and third is right, and first is cross. So dear kids, C1 is exercise. तो फर्स्ट सेकंड क्रॉस, सेकंड में थर्ड क्रॉस, थर्ड वन इज सी क्रॉस, फोर्थ बी क्रॉस, एंड फिफ्थ ए क्रॉस. ओके, नाउ सी मेक नेम द फॉलोइंग हेल्पर्स. बेटा हेयर आर सम पिक्चर्स गिवन, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द हेल्पर्स नेम. तो फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज दिस. बताइए फर्स्ट किसकी पिक्चर है. सी द पिक्चर. First is lawyer. LAWYER, lawyer. Now second is policeman. POLICEMEN, policeman. Now third picture is student nurse. NURSE, nurse. Now fourth picture is chef. CHEF, chef. Now fifth picture is beta fireman. फिफ्थ में कौन हेल्पर है. who's the helper? fireman. FIREMAN, fireman. Now sixth is dancer. DANCER, dancer. So dear kids, this is a book exercise on page number 10 and 11. You will be complete in your book. Okay, nicely. And now we will discuss the define these. So let's see. Now see student, define these. First is stationery. What is the spelling of stationery? STATIONERY, stationery. So what is the define of stationery? The things needed for writing, like pen, pencils, paper, scale, okay, eraser. These all things are stationery. So let's write the things needed for writing, like pens, pencils, paper, etc. Okay, the things needed for writing like pens, pencils, paper, etc. Now second is students bakery. BAKERY, bakery. What's a bakery? A place where bread, cakes are baked to be sold. जहाँ पर कि केक को, पेस्ट्रीज को और ब्रेड को बेक किया जाता है किसके लिए? बेचने के लिए. तो वो क्या कहलाती है बेटा? बेकरी. सो लेट्स राइट अ प्लेस वेयर ब्रेड, केक are baked to be salt. A place where bread, cake are baked to be salt. So dear kids, these are the to define these you will be write in your notebook and learn. Okay, now let's discuss question answer. So now let's discuss question answer. First is, what is profession? Student, what is profession? Profession is a job that needs a high level of training or education. Okay beta, profession is a job that needs a high level of training or education is a profession. So let's write answer 1. Okay beta, one answer, profession is a job. Profession is a job that needs a high level of training or education. Full stop. Okay, profession is a job that needs a high level of training or education. So this is the first answer. Now answer second is, name 2 helpers who sell things. Beta, here we have to write 2 helpers name those sell things. So I told you about the helpers, those sell the things like greengrocer, stationer, grocer and florist. So write any 2 name. So answer second is, first grocer and second is beta florist, FLORIST. Okay, you can write here greengrocer and stationer also if you want. Now question third, what does a musician do? बेटा म्यूजिशियन क्या करते हैं? A musician compose beautiful songs. Okay, म्यूजिशियन क्या करते हैं? A musician composes beautiful songs. जो म्यूजिशियन होते हैं वो ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग्स को राइट करते हैं, लिखते हैं. कंपोज का जो सिमिलर वर्ड है वो है राइट. सो लेट्स राइट द आंसर थर्ड. A musician composes, COMPOSES, composes beautiful songs. Okay beta, a musician composes beautiful songs. So now the fourth question is, see beta, who treats the sick? Who treats the sick? बेटा who treats the sick? जो बीमार व्यक्ति होते हैं उनको कौन ट्रीट करता है? डॉक्टर. डॉक्टर treats the sick. So write the answer. Answer 4. The doctor, DOCTOR, the doctor treats the sick. The doctor treats the sick. Okay. Now fourth question is, what do you want to be when you grow? बेटा you write this answer according to your, इसमें ये बताना है आपको what do you want टू बी व्हेन यू ग्रो अप, जब आप बड़े हो जाएंगे तो आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं? सम वांट टू बी डॉक्टर, सम इंजीनियर, सम टीचर. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस you will be write this answer. When I grow up, I want to be doctor, engineer, teacher, whatever you want to be, you can write the answer. Okay, so my dear kids, these are the 5 question answer. You will be write these all question answer in your notebook. Okay, good writing and learn these all answers. Okay dear kids, so hope so you understood all the things. Okay beta, so thank you. Bye bye kids. Bye beta.